YouTubers, here we go with the final unboxing to do for this Monday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We got an official Amazon Prime unboxing to do. We got the big old box. Here we go. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below where you can see what other goodies they have to offer at a low cost. And we got... Oh boy. This is a doozy. Snip there and a snip there. What we got here is coming from what? GearGo. Oh, these guys. They make I can't even think of what it is. LED video projector. I just did an unboxing on. So definitely check them out. Really good company. Great customer service on Amazon. GearGo. We got a humidifier on the go. Oh yes. It's that time of the year. These will come in handy. And let's take a look at this thing. Got there. Looks really nice. Nice. Oh, there goes the globe. Yeah, the manuals. I may not need that yet. Let's take it out. Alright. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Alright, which way do we open? Ooh, look at this techie stuff. It comes with remote control. Alright. This, got that. Got everything covered here. Let me keep this guy out of here. There we go. Alright, we got the remote. There we go. Oh, come on. Come on out. A little package. Alright, soft touch remote. Nice. It's always good. They got it on backwards. Oop, there. Oh, jeez. Alright, here we go. We got it out. That's what it's all about. And here we go. Look at this thing. Ooh. To the front, to the side. And where do we take it apart at? Alright. So we must fill it. Aha. Still remember. Got a nice deep bottom. Oh yeah, there's a cap right there. I'm gonna fill this up with some water. You put it in there. Get it right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, we got the water filled to the tippy top. So, hear it jiggling in there. Just gotta put the lid back on this way. There we go. I'm going to drop it in the hole. Right in there. Stay right there, phone. Oh boy. Alright. Gotta drop it in. There we go. Now we see the switch. There's a switch right there, back there. You just gotta flip it on once you plug it in. That's what I'm going to do in a minute. Back this up a little. You can see this thing in action. So definitely really cool. Get one of these, especially now, get them at low cost. And now Amazon got that free shipping for non-Prime members, so you guys might want to take advantage of that in case you don't have the Prime membership. Alright, we heard the beep. I must hit the switch. Hitting switches. There we go. That little booted switch. Missed. Oh, you can hit the mist button. Oh. Alright, we got it going. Aha! We got the mist going. Really cool. I'm not sure what this button do. Oh, you could change it. Look at that. That's really nice. Oh, you could change the speed of the mist. 1 is that one. 2, 3. Oops, I skipped a little bit. So we got the 3 mist. And what else? Got LED. Humid. Oh, this is really cool. So YouTubers, check them out. GearGo, Amazon Prime. Get a humidifier. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good one. See ya.